What if I told you the reason you're not profitable isn't your strategy, it's not your indicators, it's not your broker, it's not even the market, it's the way you think about trading. And today, we're going to fix that. Welcome to the four-dimensional method. My name is Ehsan. I've spent years in the markets, not just during winning streaks, but through losses, through drawdowns, through painful lessons that forced me to rethink everything. This isn't another trading course. This is a reset. Let me guess, you've tried the secret indicator, the institutional strategy, the 90% win rate system, the setup that banks don't want you to know. And what happened? A few wins, a few losses, then confusion, then frustration, then account damage. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most trading courses are built to impress you, not to make you consistent. This one is different. The four-dimensional method isn't built on hype. It's built on something far more powerful. Timeless principles. Human psychology, market structure, behavior under pressure. And here's the key. Those things haven't changed in 50 years, and they won't change next year.
No, it can't be.
Markets evolve. Technology evolves. But fear, greed, impatience, they stay the same. And if you understand that, you understand the market at its core. While other courses throw 20 strategies at you, we're going to master one complete framework that works in all market conditions. Think about it. When you learned to drive, did you learn 20 different ways to steer? No, you mastered one system that works every single day. Trading is no different. But here's where most traders quietly destroy themselves. It's not that they don't understand support and resistance. It's not that they can't draw levels. It's this. When real money is on the line, they freeze. They overtrade. They revenge trade. They panic exit. They abandon the plan. This course treats psychology and technical structure as equals, because a sharp strategy inside an undisciplined mind is financial self-sabotage. And later in this journey, I'm going to show you exactly how that happens. But first, you need the foundation. This is not random information. This is a structured progression. 7 chapters. Each one builds on the previous. Miss one, and the rest won't hit the same. Here's what's coming. Today, Chapter 0. Why systems fail and why games succeed. There is a fundamental difference. Most traders don't know it. You will. Chapter 1. The core philosophy. The mindset line that separates professionals from emotional participants. Chapter 2. Levels. The psychological battlegrounds of the market. Chapter 3. Structure. Instead of reacting emotionally, learning to read the market's intention. Chapter 4. Time. The rhythm that drives everything, yet most traders completely ignore. Chapter 5. Dimensional alignment. When structure, levels, and time align, probability shifts in your favor. Chapter 6. Execution. Turning clean analysis into real controlled decisions. Chapter 7. Risk management. Because protecting capital is what keeps you in the game long enough to win. Do not rush this. This is not Netflix. You don't binge it. You build it. Pause to analyze. Rewatch until it's clear. Apply with precision. Journal to evolve. Lock in each layer before adding the next. Because when this framework clicks, you won't just see trades differently. You'll see the market differently. Permanently. Now we begin with the most important question in trading. Why do most systems collapse under pressure? But structured trading is a game. Changes everything. Chapter 0. Let's open that door. Subscribe. Chapter 1 changes everything.